What if you could get in a workout before even getting out of bed? Well, you don't have to just dream about it, because I'm going to show you how. Healthy Twist shows you how to make everyday activities and special occasions more fit and fun. I'm Shana, and I've spent years helping people find time for fitness where they didn't think it existed. Naomi on Facebook asked me, is there some sort of bed ab workout to wake you up and start your day off before getting out of bed? So I know it's hard to get out from under that comforter where it's all nice and warm, but I have 5 easy moves that you can do right in bed that are targeting your abs so you'll feel accomplished before your feet even hit the ground. Make sure you check with your doctor before starting any new exercise routine. But for this one, we want to start with a full body stretch. So you just want to stretch out those arms, legs, make some space between those fingers and toes, and roll over onto your stomach and continue that stretch. From here, pull your arms in, and we're gonna do a COBRA stretch. So we're gonna lift our chest up because we wanna stretch out those abs and start some circulation there before we actually start to use them in some of those exercises. For our first real exercise, we're gonna do a forearm plank. Planks are my favorite because they turn everything on. You wanna engage those abs, squeeze those glutes, and make sure those shoulders are away from your ears. This really turns on everything in your body. Now you wanna hold it for maybe 10 seconds, 20, 30 if you can keep that form. Our second exercise is scissor legs. So to get into this position, we want to put our hands below our lower back, really press that back into the mattress. Then our legs come up. Now we're going to lower one leg, bring it up, and then lower the other. You really want to feel it in your abs. So use your abs to initiate the movement with those legs. For a little bit more of a challenge, you can do crisscross legs. So you bring one leg over the other as you're slowly lowering your legs down and bringing them back up. For our third exercise, we're gonna do bicycle crunches. You're gonna bring that knee into the chest and lift your shoulders up off the mattress. And then you're gonna switch, one knee in, one knee out. To target that waistline, we're gonna add in a twist. So you're bringing your elbow towards your knee. Remember, you're focusing on your abs, so you wanna make sure you're not putting any extra tension or pull on your neck. Now we need to sit up, and we're gonna do that by doing some roll-ups. So you wanna extend those legs, maybe keep a little bend in the knees, and you're just gonna roll up into a seated position. Make sure to try to keep those legs, especially those heels, down on the mattress. For our last exercise, we're gonna do seated spine twist. Now we're gonna extend our arms out from our sides, and you're gonna twist to one side with a little pulse, and then twist to the other side with a little pulse. So this is a Pilates move some of you might be familiar with, but the key to this movement is good posture. And you know I love good posture, because it gives you that extra bit of energy during your day. So you want to aim for 12 to maybe 24 reps of each of these exercises. And a rep is equal to once on the right, once on the left. If you try these exercises, you'll be ready to hit the ground running in the morning. If you have something you want me to put a healthy twist on, message me on Facebook or Instagram at FitStyle by Shana and use #Guruhub. Now stay tuned for more healthy twists with me, Shana, on Guruhub.